What's the meaning of bandy? Bandy. Bandy.
Bandy. Bandy. The word bandy has a few different meanings depending on the context. It can be used as an adjective to describe something that is bowed or curved, like a bandy-legged person. In sporting contexts, it refers to a game in which a ball is hit back and forth with a curved bat, such as hockey or bandy football. Bandy can also be used as a verb, meaning to exchange words or accusations in a heated manner. Additionally, it can be used as slang to describe something that is fashionable or high quality, like a bandy new car. Overall, the meaning of bandy depends on the context in which it is used.